Welcome to part 2 of our highly anticipated AAA game character creation course. I'm Otis Timilis, a professional freelance 3D character artist and your instructor for this course. In part 1, which is available on our store, we showed you how to create the high poly of a AAA character from start to finish. In part 2, we'll be taking that character and turning it into a clean, low poly model, rigging it, texturing it, adding hair, and creating a final presentation that will leave you with an amazing AAA game character exactly like you see here. To start, we'll be covering full retopology, teaching you how to create clean and optimized topology that's perfect for both animated and game characters. We'll then move on to creating UV maps, all of which will be done in 3ds Max. Once that's complete, we'll move on to Marmoset Toolbag, where we'll make our final texture maps. From there, we'll give our character a rig using something called AccuRig, which will automatically rig our character. We'll then move on to Blender to pose our character, since Blender is a bit easier when it comes to posing and hair creation. Next up, we'll dive into texturing our character. This will be a lengthy and fascinating chapter where we'll cover everything from the large base materials to the small details that make your character pop. Finally, we'll use Blender to create our hair cards and place them, and then render everything inside of Marmoset Toolbag 4. With over 90 hours of video content, this course is a comprehensive and extensive tutorial series. While it may seem daunting, I'm confident that by the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and the skills necessary to create high-quality, game-ready characters. We've struck a nice balance between time-lapses and real-time chapters, and all important topics are narrated and real-time. We've also included the time-lapse chapters in real time as a special add-on. This course is aimed at intermediate artists who already have a basic understanding of the programs mentioned. This course also comes with auto-generated subtitles in English, Chinese, and Spanish. I hope you'll enjoy this course, and I'm excited to see the positive impact it'll have on your life. Once again, I'm Otis Timilis, and thank you for watching Fast Track Tutorials.